These shirts are being screen pressed right here. They're all set up. We got merchandise, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Clark Hazlett, better known as Adventure Athlete. And this morning, your boy just got a very important phone call. Because as you guys know, tonight I'm currently headed back home to my hometown, which is Bellingham, Washington. Because tomorrow I'm going to be flying to Oklahoma. But got some big news because the Gridiron glove merchandise is here and it's ready to be printed. And I got to be leaving in like 2 or 3 hours. So with that said, y'all are going to come with me and we're going to make these t-shirts to start fundraising for the Gridiron glove. So I'll catch up with y'all outside. Here. Alright guys, so like I was saying, currently on my way because I'm going to be making these shirts myself with my boy Devon, who's the owner of Devo Screen Printing Press. I'm really looking forward to just getting a chance to learn the overall process in terms of how to develop merchandise, because I'm not just ordering these shirts from China and then having them all pre-pressed and made. I want to actually like make them for you guys and show y'all that I'm actually putting them work in. These are also not just your average Gildan t-shirts, which y'all will see in a little bit. Really looking forward to what your guys' thoughts are on the merchandise, as well as I really appreciate y'all for wanting to help support me as I'm about to be launching the Gridiron glove, like I said, here hopefully in the next couple of months. Right now I'm in communications with our manufacturer overseas, so things are really starting to look good, ladies and gentlemen. And I think you guys are gonna like the merchandise. So with that said, I'll catch up with you guys inside. Yeah. All right, y'all, here we go. Just arrived here at Devo Screen Printing Press. Good morning, Sheila. How are you today? Big shout out to Sheila and Devon, who've been helping take care of me and helping me throughout this whole process. And we're about to be going into the back and getting a chance to screen print these shirts, so I'll catch up with y'all there. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can see here, these shirts are being screen pressed right here on this screen printing press machine. You come look right here. They're all set up. Perfect. Big shout out to Devon. Once these shirts are screen pressed, they're then put over here in this heater, which essentially, what does this do again? This is where the ink gets cured on the shirt. And we got merchandise, ladies and gentlemen. So with that said, I'm gonna post up the camera and help out Devon. I'll catch up with y'all in a little. See ya. working now for about 30 minutes, and we've probably got about, how many t-shirts do you think we got left?
Probably half.
About 100 or so t-shirts left. So yeah, we're gonna be out here for probably just another couple more hours, and we'll catch up with y'all soon. All right guys, so everything is going extremely well. The shirts are coming out amazing. All right everybody, so we are officially done here. As y'all saw, I loaded up the truck, and I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing for y'all to show you what we just picked up, and talk a little bit more about the process moving forward with the Gridiron glove. Yeah. Alrighty everybody, so right now your boy is currently back at my place, and I'm really excited, as y'all know, because this was kind of like my first time ever doing anything in terms of kind of creating merch and apparel. And I've been saying I've been wanting to do this for about 4 years now. Fun fact for you guys, it was about 3 years ago when I was working at Devo Screen Printing Press before I got a job at Nike in Lincoln City. So that's how I got the chance to get to know Devon and Sheila. And since then, I told them I was going to be coming back in a couple of years. So that was another cool thing, just to get a chance to reconnect with them. And now officially I can say that I've been able to create and produce merchandise for the first time. And instead of just going through some third-party retailer that makes it all overseas and then ships it directly to you, I'm going to be doing all this myself. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing to show y'all exactly the specs on what we got here and what you'd be getting with your purchase of a Gridiron glove t-shirt. So I got a box right here. These are all full of mediums. And if we pull up the first shirt here at the top, this is what the t-shirt looks like. This is what a medium looks like. And the brand that I chose to make of these shirts is called Next Level, which y'all can see right there. I kind of wanted to go away from just your traditional Gildan shirt. I really wanted to go with this style of shirt just because it was a little softer in terms of the material on your skin. It's a cotton and polyester blend, and these are unisex sizes. So for you ladies out there that are watching this video, I definitely would recommend y'all picking up one of these shirts. And then what will be coming with this shirt is one of these little Gridiron glove stickers, as y'all can see right here. I had these made a couple of days ago, and these are actually decal style stickers that you can put on either your football helmet or just anywhere on your iPhone. That's what I did, is I put one of these stickers on my iPhone. So, and as well as y'all will be getting a personal note from me. So this is kind of what y'all will be getting with your purchase of a Gridiron glove shirt. And like I said, all the proceeds for this initial launch of merchandise is all going to go directly into raising capital for the Gridiron glove, which y'all know is a company that I'm currently starting. I'm in the process of ordering about 100 units to pilot launch this upcoming fall. If any of you guys are interested in potentially purchasing the Gridiron glove, or if you don't know what the Gridiron glove is, I'm going to attach up a video right here just to kind of give you a little behind the scenes, because I've talked about it in quite a video so far throughout this day in the life of a college football player video. This is just the beginning. I didn't want to drop sweatshirts because right now it's the summertime, so it's kind of hot and warm, and dropping a sweatshirt, I probably want to save that for the fall and winter. With that said, guys, if you're interested in purchasing a shirt, there'll be a link down in the description below. All you got to do is put your email in there, and then you'll be contacted, because I only made a limited amount of units here. So hopefully everything doesn't sell out too quickly, but for those of you guys that are really interested, I want to make sure I get you one before I start selling them to my friends and family members, because I know I've been hyping up these shirts for quite a bit now. So with that said, that's going to conclude this video. I'm going to be making the trip up to Bellingham, Washington later tonight. As y'all know, I'm going to be going to Oklahoma, so I'm really looking forward to that. I'm also going to be bringing a couple t-shirts out to Oklahoma, so for any of you subscribers that live in Oklahoma, make sure you guys hit me up, because I definitely would love to connect with you guys, and maybe even do a Gridiron glove t-shirt giveaway. Leave a comment down below if y'all would be interested in that. But yeah, with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you guys for all the support. This Gridiron glove thing is really about to start taking off, so I'm really looking forward to it. The whole goal is to see if this product is even going to be commercially viable, and I've learned so much already throughout this process. So thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Yep.